Today we're doing a little bit of engine detailing. It's not going to be perfect. I just did the oil change, changed the air filter, the cabin filter. I'm gonna try to clean some of this up. Obviously it's never been done. It's 2015 with 50,000 miles. I lived in a dusty vineyard environment in California. Vacuum that stuff out at some point. I'm gonna pop this off and we'll clean this separately. Right here, I will protect the alternator with a plastic bag. And we're gonna go light on all this stuff. There's more exposed electronics that I'm used to. I usually do this on BMW, and it's way less exposed wires. Anyway, here we go. All right, we're ready to go. So what I do is I have the hose, one shower, put it on light, and I barely put any water on. The less water, the better, in my opinion. And some people will probably say I shouldn't be doing this in the first place, but we'll see. So I get everything a little wet. This is my diluted, I forgot to put the plastic on the alternator. I have to do that. Don't forget the hood. So anyway, get it wet, then spray the stuff down here, and go to town. Scrub, scrub, scrub. So this is what I have post wet and scrub. Quite a big difference. I'm gonna let it air dry for a bit. Then I'm gonna finish off this. Before that, of course, I have to do the cover. That's gonna be fun. Let's see. Hose. Give it a minute. There we go. What a difference this is gonna be. All right, put the cleaner on it, scrub it, and come back when it's all done. Still drying, but that's what I got. Much better than before. All in, this took no more than 15 minutes. I think I'll do it again in the summer, but I'm much happier with this. For people who question doing the wet method, honestly, I've been doing it this way since longer than most of you have been alive, since the early 80s. What, 83, 80 is when I started driving and doing my engines like this, and I've never had a problem. So yeah, I expect this will be fine. I'll go take it for a drive here because I'm taking it to San Francisco tomorrow, 250 miles away, and just want to make sure everything's a-okay, but I expect it will be.